I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Here at the Annex, and I ran across something that I don't talk about, but I use all the time. And Lydia once told me, talk about the things that you use all the time that people don't know about. So that's what I'm doing now. My brother-in-law worked for Voltec Foam over in Coldwater, Michigan. And while he worked there for a number of years, I learned a lot of interesting facts about foam. I worked at the company just across the fence from Voltec Foam, so we talked back and forth, loaned tools back and forth, that kind of stuff. And it was an interesting company, very nice people. I believe they're still there. Anyways, these things are the skins off of bunns. Now, this didn't come from Voltec. I don't know which company it came from. But anyways, the skin is a waste product. The bunns are about 4 to 5 inches thick, and they peel this skin off so that you end up with one side looking like that. It's just like foam. And the other side looks like this. Now, the skin is waterproof, oil-proof. Doesn't soak up anything. It's a solid mat. It's a solid membrane on the outside of the bun. The inside is also closed cell, so it doesn't soak up water. You can see that there's a little bit of oil on there, but it's not down inside the foam. It's just a layer on top. Nice thing is, they're very durable. I've had these for years. I had them over at the old shop, and I had them there for about 5 years, so that makes them 17, 18 years old, and I use them all the time. They're nice for crawling under a car, especially when you can't get the crawler underneath there because the car's too low. You can lay one of these down, skid in on top of it. You don't lay on the concrete. It's warm, it's insulated, keeps you from getting cold, and it's also very comfortable because it's a cushion. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.